Look at him. He's staring right at me, dude. Alright. We're gonna help you. I'm just gonna grab you like a shit. Oh, dude, he already has poop on his ass. Oh, fuck. This is getting bad. Damn it! I don't want to do this. Oh, dude, he's jumping. He's hopping. The defense mechanism. Come here! Yeah, he's right there! Ah! He's right! Dude! Get in here! Dude, we gotta open up this window so he can get out.
Roll around.
We're gonna save you! We're gonna save you! We're gonna save you! Go, bird, go! No! He's like, go outside! Go outside! Go! Go! Go outside! Go! Ah! Bird! Tweet, 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 tweet! No, man, now he's behind the washing machine. No, poke it that way. He's behind that. Oh, there you go, yeah. This way. I don't know where he is now.
Sure, fly out.
I didn't watch him fly out. Did you watch him fly out?
Yeah, he's right there.
Pretty bird! Yes! Yes! That was amazing.